In this video, we'll discuss the Finish Line Caulk Fill Your Own Precision Caulking Toolkit and how to use it. Let's start with how to fill the barrel. Whether you're using the 30 ml Finish Line Caulk hand dispenser or the 55 ml gun dispenser, the method for filling the applicators is exactly the same. Let me show you how it's done. There are two styles of barrels that we're going to be filling. We have the 30 ml and the 55 ml. And the first thing that we want to do is place and make sure that the plunger is in all the way. If you have a 55 ml barrel, you'll want to take one of these white plugs and the push rod that comes with your kit and push that plunger all the way into the end. The next step is to cut the tip on the end of your tube of sealant, and you're going to thread in this little tool. This black tool is going to be threaded into the end of your tube of caulk. So it's important that you look at this tube, and if you hold it in front, you can see where this tip is going to be just about the size of the tip that you're cutting. It's important that you don't cut it too far, because if you do, then this won't stay threaded in. If you cut it too small, then the tip, the plastic, can tend to crack. So I would look for that spot right about here on a tube of caulk. And what we're going to do is take our knife, and then we're just gonna cut that right about there, and we'll just kind of test it and see. Okay, I think that might be a little too small, so let's go just a little bit bigger. Okay, and I'll give it a little push. Oh, the end just goes in, and we'll just push that, and now that just twists and threads right in. It's got a little bit of a tapered end on this, so that is now in there nice and tight. Once you've got your tool inserted into your tube of sealant, place it into your caulk gun and thread on one of your applicators, and then by using the plunger, or by using the handle, you're going to fill the syringe. This is an acrylic urethane sealant. It will work better with a latex sealant. This is a method that you will have to have strong hands in order to get the sealant into the tube. It will work, but it does require some hand strength. And the thicker the sealant, the more hand strength you'll need. So that method has its limitations.